Hey, thank you for commenting. So I would like to clarify this for you. So a lot of people do get confused when it comes to this part. So you may hear the term two-page website or sales funnel. So basically what that is, it's a way to capture someone's name and email. And inside that sales funnel, there's a couple of different steps. You have an opt-in page, which is like the landing page where they will enter their name and email. And then you have a bridge page. The bridge page is basically kind of an in-between where you are going to put a video of yourself. You're going to tell your audience a little bit about you, what the product's about a little bit, and then you are going to introduce them to the owner of the product. At that point, they will take over and close the sales for you. So basically with the sales funnel, it will also be connected to your email campaign. And then when that person puts their name and email address, you can go ahead and send out multiple emails and you can stay connected with them, because over a long term, people want to know, like, and trust you before they actually purchase whatever product is in that sales funnel. And I totally get the ADHD thing, because I'm telling you, I have it. I sometimes will talk in a circle, or I get distracted, or I'm doing something, I forget what I'm doing. It's kind of like a big blur sometimes to me. But if I can do it, anybody can do it. And that's how I look at things, because I actually struggle a little bit when it comes to learning and comprehending things. So you just have to slow things down, or maybe you need someone to hold your hand. And if you're looking for someone to help you along that journey, reach out to me. I can help you.